nature is far from perfect because perfection is the lowest form possible. I think that knowledge is definitely a powerful anyone's future and well-being, to really step into our beautiful farmers and what they do. I really believe that without those beautiful farmers, we would have nothing. It's so important to, help someone understand the process of that seed. That one seed was held by some beautiful human being that planted it on his property in some amazing space with the most beautiful soil that he's looked after to get that to my plate today. That is, to me, extraordinary. That's, to me, is, we talk about spirituality and shit, that to me is like presence, My spiritual goal is to be present, and with food, it's just like I can feel where it's all come from and how it's growing. And when you get to know your supermarkets, like you go to a local supermarket or you go to a local farmer's market and you get to know where the broccoli is, and we have such judgment on produce. We have such judgment on produce, and we pick on it, especially in the biodynamic organic industry. We really pick it apart when, nature is far from perfect because perfection is the lowest form possible. Everything is just as is.